Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to get the JavaScript object from an array of objects by a value of a property. So for that, I have already defined array of an object. Okay, so I have to give multiple values here. Now we have the products and array of the objects. So now we're going to learn to access a particular object by a value of a property of that object. So for that we have to use the filter function. Alright, so I'm going to write here products dot filter product, and we want to find a particular value. Okay, so I want to have a value where the price is $30. Okay, so how can I do that? I'm going to simply write the product here dot, because we are trying to access the object by its property, so I have to write the property here, which is price, and it must be equal to $30. All right. Okay, so let's just console log the result here. Let's just run the code, and we have our object where the price of the product is $30. Okay, so this is how we can access the object by the value of its property in an array in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.